Hi guys, today we will be looking at the acronym dealer and why it's such a powerful tool to understand and to know how to apply when it comes to credits and debits in accounting. So, D-E-A-L-E-R, dealer. The end. No, I'm only kidding. D is for dividends, E is for expenses, A is for assets, L for liabilities, E for equity, and R for revenue. As a general rule, debit entries are recorded on the left and credit entries are recorded on the right. An easy way to remember this is the first three letters of dealer DEA is on the left, so it's debited on the left, and LER, which is the first three letters on the right, is credited on the right. So plus on the right. Every financial transaction flows from a source to a destination. So if you think about this, the only way a company can have any money is either they took out a loan, which is a liability, the owner gave the money, or the shareholders, which is equity, or you sold a product or a service, and that is your revenue. So generally there's only three sources of income, and the destination is either dividends you pay back to shareholders, or expenses by wages and rent, or you buy assets to grow your business, which can be equipment or properties. So there you have it. This time it really is the end.